We're finishing off our examples. So in this example, we are given that y is equal to this. We must find dy over dx. Okay, so we do our check. For we derive, do we have any sets here? No sets. So we have no sets. Do check number 2. Is x in the denominator here? In any of these terms? Yes, we can see. Here's the big guy here. X is the denominator, but now we can split this. We know how to split this because we're going to distribute this x cubed across that term and across that one. So let us do that. Okay, so basically we still have y equal to, we'll bring that x to the power of 1 over 4 as it is, then we put a minus, then we put a bracket. Always put a bracket here because you've got 2 terms here. You've got 2 terms and you are subtracting them because this is subtracting that and that. So put brackets always to save your life. So what we'll do then, we're just gonna split that one. We know that it's gonna be x. It's gonna be x to the power of 7 divided by x cubed. Then we have got that minus. We've got 3x, but now you're going to distribute again our x cubed. Okay, making some great progress. So we have that. We can now multiply out the bracket. So we'll then get negative x to the power of 7 over x cubed over x cubed. You will then have minus 3x over x cubed again. Are we done? Actually, it's going to be a plus here. Why? Because it's minus times minus. It's a plus. Here it's minus times plus, so it becomes a minus. So now see the importance of putting the bracket here. It helps you to catch this plus. Okay. Nonetheless, we're not done because we still have x in that denominator here. So what you're gonna do now, just gonna divide these two, so it's the same basis, so just add the exponents. So I'm going to subtract the exponents, so you'll get 7 minus 3, which will give us a 4. Here you will get 3x, so it's a 1 here, minus 3, it's gonna give us a minus 2. And then that's what we have. Now we are happy now. We have no sets. Our x is in the numerator. All our x terms are in the numerator. So now we can perform our magic. What is our magic? Finding dy over dx. She's gonna be, we bring this 1 over 4 down. And we subtract 1. An exponent. We bring that 4 down. We will then again subtract 1 on the exponent. You can skip this step, just go to the answer if you know to derive properly. Then here we've got 3, we bring down the negative 2 in exponent, then we subtract 1 on the exponent. Then we simplify this, we will get 1 over 4 x to the power of negative 3 over 4, and then you will get minus 4x cubed minus 6x to the power of negative 3, positive exponents. So we'll have 1 over 4 x to the power of 3 over 4 minus 4x cubed. We bring down the x because it's an exponent, so we could -6, but divide by, take the x only, then exponent is going to be +3 now. Then basically we're done with finding our derivative. Just the important step, we will just split here, and they've been doing the whole thing of splitting. Then the next question, we're given this x squared plus 6x plus 8 over x plus 2 must derive. So this one, I'm sure your first thinking is that you're gonna do this. You're gonna split that like that by saying x squared over x plus 2. Then you say you can typically do this, but it's not gonna help you. It's pain. Why? Because you've got 2 terms now in the denominator, so it won't help you. So in this case, if you've got 2 terms in the denominator, it's just hinting us that we must factorize the numerator, and you'll see why. So let's factorize the numerator. It's gonna be factorized as x plus 2 and x plus 4. Watch this magic now. You see now that these 2, they will cancel out. That's why we have to factorize. Then we'll be left with y equal to x plus 4. Which is good news because now you can derive this easily. It will give us just a 1. Important step, if you've got 2 terms in the denominator, it is a hint that you must factorize the numerator. But if you've got only 1 term in the denominator, like here you've got x cubed, you do the splitting. You distribute your x cubed across the 2 terms in the numerator. Same thing that we did here. You had only 1 term, then you could distribute it across all the terms in the numerator, or you can divide all the terms in the numerator by the denominator. But in this example, we had 2 terms here. We had x plus 2, so we don't do it that way. Then, so yeah, just that important trick. These are all questions that they could be asked in an exam. They could ask differentiation in many ways, and this is one of them.